Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section of hair from the front and then tying a rubber band to it. Then take another section from the front and then tie a rubber band to it once again. Twist the section of hair and then put the first section through this twist. Repeat this process until you reach the bottom of the hair. To repeat the step one more time, take a section of hair and then twist it, through which you will put the other section of hair. Next, start off by taking two sections of hair from the front and then rolling it in on itself. Leave out a section of hair from the left side. Now twist it in and form a bun. Taking the left section of the hair that you had left out, make a braid and using your fingers loosen parts of the braid. Once you are done, roll it up and put it on top of the bun. Next, start off by taking a section of hair from the front of the head and then tie it up at the back. Roll this in on itself so that it forms two twists. Then tie a ponytail at the base of the scalp and then at the bottom of the hair tie another ponytail. Roll it up to make a bun. Use a decorative clip. Take a section from the left side and the right side and then tie it up at the back. Roll it in on itself and then tie a ponytail more towards the left side of the hair. Tie another rubber band at the base of the middle of the hair and then roll the section of hair in on itself. Thank you for watching.